Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing an Hermes unboxing. So I got this one today. So it came on this beautiful lovely box. Yeah, it looks very nice and neat though. I like that. So it opens it like this, very lovely, and it has a nice Hermes logo right there, and that's the box. So I got the receipt. I got two receipts for some reason. So this is how it's being wrapped. Beautifully wrapped. Very nice. That's what I like about Hermes. It's because, I mean, you don't need to spend a fortune for them to wrap your package nicely. It's beautiful. Beautiful ribbon. I think the ribbon called Bulldog ribbon, something like that. So anyways, this is how it looks. So let's open it together, guys. So, and I think probably some of you probably have guessed what this is, but this is actually my second Hermes notebook cover from them, or an agenda. See, they wrap it nicely with this beautiful paper. Oh wow. Oh wow, sir. I'm surprised because this is not the color that I ordered actually. I mean, wow. That's interesting because on the website, let me just put this box away. On the website, let me just look at my receipt because this is not the exact color that I ordered. I mean, yeah, it says Rose Mexico, and on the website it shows red, really red, like a deep red. But this one looks more of like a pink though. That's very interesting. I mean, yeah, the website, you know, sometimes it could be very deceiving, and you were expecting that, you know, the color from the website could have been the same in person, but yeah, it actually varies. But I don't know, I am expecting this to be more of like a deep red because that's what I'm actually seeing on the website. Deep red. And yeah, I mean, because the reason also why I wanted to get the deep red color, because I have this a Coach Tabby, and I've been wanting to use this. I wanted to use this tabby for work together with this agenda, and I'm looking forward for the deep red color. And for some reason this is not red, this is more of like pink to me, like a fuchsia pink. So that's, yeah, that's a little bit disappointing in my part because I really thought that I got the right color. I mean, I don't know. I mean, the color says Rose Mexico. Who would have, you know, who would have guessed that color could have been red or could have been like pink or something like that, you know? But usually, like this color, most of the time they describe like other, you know, mostly I would describe this color as in like fuchsia pink, something like that. But I don't know. I mean, it says Mexico red, so I am expecting, no, Rose Mexico. So rose, yeah, makes sense, I guess, because the rose could have been, has this color. But yeah, the website, as far as just looking at the website, I really thought this is a deep red, and yeah, I was a little bit disappointed with this purchase because I really thought it could have been a deep red so I could match it with this little tabby bag. But yeah, I don't think it would work. Personally, I wouldn't. I mean, I was looking for red in particular, and this one would not. I could not, it's not going to work for me personally. But yeah, this is the currently bag that I'm using for work right now, and I have put this little embellishment with this Louis Vuitton bag charm. I do love this bag charm though. I mean, on my previous video, I've mentioned that this was actually overpriced, this charm, but I like this charm that I could use in almost all of my bags. I do love it. And I was thinking of getting another one, but paying $600 for a charm, that doesn't really justify at all. I mean, it is just a charm. Why pay $600 for it? But I got this charm before the price increase. I think this was $530, and now it is $600. It's crazy. It is just a charm, but I think this charm actually adds beauty of the bag. The bag looks a little bit different now. I mean, without looking at the C with the Coach, it looks like it's a different bag though. But yeah, I love it. I just love this. I could really use this charm in most any of my bags. And yeah, it's just so disappointing that this is like $600 right now, and I think it's so beautiful. So anyways, I also have another bag here that I have been currently using. This is a Coach as well, and it's Ulysse. So now no one could tell that this is from Coach unless if you were, a Coach fanatic. You would definitely know that this is a Ulysse bag. And yeah, I just put this Hermes Twilly, and I think it looks great with that. It's so cute. I love it. Yeah, I think this Hermes Twilly actually is perfect for this bag. Very, very nice. I love it. It's so cute. But going back to my Hermes purchase, yeah, I was so disappointed. This is not the color that I really wanted. I mean, yeah, I mean, I could not even think of. I was so excited of really getting this one. Actually, I purchased this one. It's actually very quick. Most of the time, Hermes, if you place your order before noon, I think in Eastern time before noon, they process your order the same day and ship it the same day. They're really, really fast and efficient. Yeah, this one is made up of, again, with a Togo calfskin leather and a palladium clou de sel snap closure. Yeah, it's just, I like it, but the color, it's not something that I wanted. I mean, yeah, it's not the exact color that I was actually looking for. So yeah, with this one is my favorite. This one is by far my favorite color. And I've been hunting this color for a long time, and finally I got my hands in it. So this particular color is hard to come by, and yeah, really nice. This is also made up of a Togo calfskin leather. Really, really beautiful. I love it. I started using it as soon as I got this one, and I love it. Really, really nice. So anyways, yeah, this is such a disappointment to me. I mean, sometimes on the website when you place an order, they have, a lot of this, a lot of them actually has their own names of colors. I wish it could have just even more specific, or they have actually given more detailed about the color. So yeah, apparently it's just like it says Rose Mexico. I mean, Rose comes with a lot of colors, guys, and I'm not really aware that Rose Mexico is more of like a fuchsia pink. And yeah, it is really, really pink, really like pink in person. And I like pink, but not I am not looking for pink at the moment. I am looking more for a deep red so I could match it with my Tabby bag. And also this one, I could actually match this one together, but this color were so close together, but this one would not fit inside. So that's a disappointment, but I use this one in my personal stuff, so it actually doesn't matter. But I'm planning to use this one exclusive for work. And yeah, I was just so disappointed that it didn't work. Yeah, so this is the comparison. This is the MM, this is the size MM, and this is the size PM. Gorgeous. I think they're gorgeous. But yeah, I was just not into this color at the moment. I'm not really looking for this one. I'm looking for a little bit more of like a deep dark red. So yeah, I was just so disappointed with that. Once again, the craftsmanship with this particular agenda or notebook cover, it's impeccable. Yeah, the glazing, they always have a really nice smooth glazing on their items. And also, yeah, it was perfectly done though. Yeah, I wish Louis Vuitton could have done the same way. So yeah, really nice. But anyways, yeah, such a disappointment. I might probably gonna have, I just, let me see, I just checked online right now, and this one is currently not available. I don't know, for some reason. I mean, I was thinking of getting the inserts for this one, and it has been sold out. I have been checking it. I even checked it this morning, and it's not available. I don't know, for some reason. I don't know, it's not available. But this one also, it is no longer available. This one, when I purchased this one, it comes with a lot of different colors. And this one is exactly, the deep red exactly is what I was looking for, that I could match in my Tabby bag. And pretty much, yeah, unfortunately this didn't work for me. But anyways, that is just my little unboxing for today, guys. And yeah, so that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next unboxing video. Bye.